Are you tired of rushing to get something inside your house? With all those keys and nooks and crannies, it's almost impossible to get inside. And are you just so frustrated because you simply can't take it anymore?
Yeah!
Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing the No Knob.
Yeah!
The No Knob wants to know!
I'm not finished yet. It's the first ever fingerprint scanning doorknob. Now you can easily enter your house by conveniently placing your thumb on the knob. It's as easy as placing your thumb on the knob. All you have to do is place your thumb on the knob, push, and push again. Not even those pesky little burglars can break into your house.
Thanks to the No Knob, he couldn't get in.
Here's what life is like for a person without the No Knob.
Oh my god, I am so late for class. Come on. Ugh! I forgot my phone!
See how miserable his life is? Now let's look at the same person, but with the No Knob.
Come on. Ugh! I forgot my phone!
Kevin, just on time.
The No Knob!
The knob that knows you!
Made by Tofu. Tomorrow's opportunities for us.